Hey everyone, it's me Cherishaaa and welcome back to my channel. Cherishaaa is a real name and it's not a made-up name, FYI. So today I am gonna go out with my friends and we are gonna dine in and have like a small get-together. We're gonna go to the local store and grab a couple of spaghettis. Not talking much, I'm really gonna go and get ready really quickly. I have done my hair as you guys can see. Let's get started, guys. To start off with my makeup first, I am applying my Vaseline lip balm on my lips to keep them moist. This Vaseline lip therapy, I don't know why I can't even say this word right now, but yeah, this lip balm has really helped me to overcome my dry lips. So if you guys have quite a very bad dry lips, medium to bad, I think just give this product a try because they are worth every single penny that you have. I am gonna apply a few pumps of this Melvita rose water. They really do keep me feeling fresh throughout the day and also night. And as for my brows, I am using my favorite eyebrow shadow just to keep them a little filled in, as I'm going in very easy with my eyes tonight. Taking my Naked Basics palette, I'm dabbing my blending brush into Commando and Tempted. These two colors are pretty soft brown tone and they also match my eyelids actually. So it's just the perfect color that I need for tonight, nothing very fancy. And I will also be highlighting my brows using the lighter shade tone on this palette on my eyebrow bone. On my cheeks, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush called Party, and they are pretty rosy and pretty pink, and I really love this color, so I'm just dabbing them on the apples of my cheeks. Now that it's all nice and even, I'm gonna move on to my contour palette. To be honest, I just realized while editing this video that I hold the contour palette like upside down, so I'm so sorry for that, guys. I'm just applying this color chisel into the high points of my jawline. On top of my lip balm, I'm applying my favorite go-to lipstick by MAC. It's the Persistent shade. It's a very beautiful peachy brown cinnamon shade and it really works well on my warm medium tan skin. Like this is really perfect, so I'm topping it off with the NYX Cosmetic Lip Oil. I'm gonna finish off this look by applying the Moringa perfume from The Body Shop. This perfume is really very fruity. It gives a very fruity aroma with a gentle burst of sugarcane essence and moringa flower, and I absolutely love the way how it smells, and I think it's perfect for tonight's dip. I am gonna match my outfit today with my Capitola watch. This is the Mesh Rose Gold watch. I think I'm gonna list all of them in the info box. And yes, I am done, all ready, and I'm gonna go head outside. I hope you guys enjoy my very simple easy night makeup look, and if you guys have created this look, then do let me know in the info box and follow me on all my social media channels. Thank you for watching. Bye.